November 4th, Assisi, celebrating the Day of National Unity and Armed Forces Day with the signing of the treaty, November 4th, 1918. Also solidifying the unity of Italy. All the school children with their flags, waving them in honor of Italy, leaving the 13th century Basilica of Santa Chiara. You can see the passion and the joy. Teachers and students. And they'll be heading up to the main square of Assisi, November 4th. And here we have the Association of the Bersaglieri. Here, the Ministry of Finance. Right here. This will be put on the tomb in Assisi dedicated to those who died in World War I and World War II. There's the Assisi flag, there's our mayor and members of City Council, and here are Carabinieri, National Police, heading up to the main square of Assisi, November 4th.